We're back, people. What's going on? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today on stream, Tuesday the 23rd of April, we took a fantastic gold sell. Now, had a break over the weekend, went to Sydney, didn't trade Monday, came back on stream on Tuesday after an amazing week last week, and ended the day with an absolutely fantastic 36 tick move on gold in literally 10 minutes, hold position as always, taken live on stream for you guys to watch it for absolutely free. You guys can go back onto the channel, go on the live section, find the date, watch it. You'll see it all there. Call this entire position absolutely live. But if you guys didn't make the stream or you can't make the stream, you also deserve to learn from this. So we'll jump on the charts here. We'll waste no time and I'll start breaking it down for you guys. So let's just put where the original stop was. And what I'll also do is let's get rid of this for a second and let's replay to what we were actually seeing today. So what I was saying to everyone on stream today is we take a look at gold on the 4 hour. We can actually see here on gold, you have had a nice 4 hour strong push down in the Asian session, which I called in Discord on our daily market calls as well. Had this beautiful 4 hour push down. This next 4 hour has come close and rejected this support. But what have we not done? Which I always say in all of my videos, if price is going to have a pushback higher on gold, it's going to need to come and re-grab these lows before having that push. So we were basically saying on the day, we are bearish on gold to come down, grab these lows, and then later on for the rest of the day, you'll very likely see gold continue pushing higher. So we then have a look at the hourly here on gold. What I was also saying to everyone on stream, like I said, you guys go back and watch it, we were saying, what did you not do for this whole push up here? You never really grabbed any previous hourly lows. So like I say, same as the 4 hour, you know, if gold's going to have a pushback higher, you're going to need to grab liquidity below previous hourly lows before then having that move back higher. And then we take a look down again. You guys can see how we're using top-down analysis here. Take a look at this on the 5 minute. What we actually saw, and this is the reason that we don't trade trend lines, we trade trend lines to understand liquidity. You can see here, gold has bounced off this once, twice, 3 times bouncing off this trend line. Whenever you see 3 bounces off a trend line, I don't care what Instagram tells you, do not do it. Because that's where most people get trapped. They take longs off the trend line, they put their stop loss just below the low, looking for this huge playoff. And then we jumped on stream at 7 a.m. London time. So if we just skip to 7 a.m., where are we here? A couple more minutes, 7 a.m. London time. Beautiful. And then you bounced off it again. So you bounced off it again. You've also just grabbed liquidity to the upside. So if you take the trend line like this, mark on the second touch, which is the liquidity level, and then boom, that becomes your area of where you want to target. So we have the 4 hour needing to flip back bearish. The hourly hasn't grabbed any lows. And we've got the 5 minute bouncing 4 touches off of a trend line. So that is a very good indication that we're very likely going to see gold have a steep drive back down into this area. Now, on the 15 minute, what I was also saying to the guys was this 15 here has just closed with this nice evening star pushing down. And then this 15 has also rejected this support, looking like this could be a liquidity grab to push back higher, which I agree, it definitely could be. But one thing to note about these liquidity levels is whenever you see a liquidity level that looks like it's going to push back higher, in this example here on gold, if that gets broken, then it's not a true liquidity grab and there's a high chance you're going to keep pushing down. So what I was saying to everyone on stream, if this 15 keeps pushing up from here, amazing, you know, we'll go long on the break of this high. However, if you break back below this previous 15 low, there's a high chance you're going to continue pushing down. So I actually had my area like this. And all I was doing to saying to myself and saying to everyone on stream is I want to see this 15 close back below this level, quick top wick, and then amazing, that's where we are going to have our sells. So I said you could sell on the break of this 5 minute low. I didn't. I wanted to wait for the 15 to actually close, and then I wanted the top wick entry. So we'll put on our position right here. So next 15 opened, instant top wick, no bottom wick at all. And then that's when we got short on a retest entry, looking to play it down into this liquidity here. Once we got tagged in, stop went above this current 5 minute high. As it then also broke these lows here, I said to everyone on stream, as soon as you grab these lows, boom, stops to break even. And then look at that, amazing. Stops went to break even almost instantly. And then within 5-10 minutes, we wicked out these lows and hit around 38 ticks. I actually closed for around 36. Some of the guys closed more, and you ended up, I believe, coming down even lower and also grabbing this level down here, because I also said to everyone on stream, you know, you have grabbed this low, which is amazing. You know, we're scalping. So take your 36 tick scalp, lock it in, but also imagine a lot of people will be trying to buy off this support, putting their stop loss just below that low. Exactly the same thing from the highs to the lows. And we fast forward this on. Boom, price grabbed the support, goes back above, and then pushed higher. So everyone got trapped out on the downside there as well. And then for the rest of the day, you know, the 4 hour hadn't fulfilled this downside. So for you guys who continue to trade our liquidity levels that I gave on the London session, I basically said, once you re-break this low here, you're probably going to retrace, but once you re-break this low here later on, there's a high chance that when you break this, boom, you're going to have a pretty easy 40 tick drive. So you then pushed up for the rest of the day, blah, 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 and then you eventually came down like this. You start to reject the support, and then boom, right there, you are breaking that low. So that's when, you know, this was the low here. I said, you guys, once you break this low, take the sells, you put your stop just above this liquidity high here, and you're driving it back down into this region, and then boom, amazing. There you go. There was another 60 ticks if you guys continued to trade our levels for the rest of the day. And then this is how ridiculous yesterday was. Like I said at the start of the stream and the start of this recording, once you grab these 4 hour lows, there is a high chance that gold is going to have a decent retracement to come and grab the 4 hour highs that haven't yet been grabbed. So you see here on gold, we get rid of this. This was the level. You've wicked out the lows. So if you grab the lows, where's your target? The highs. So you wick out the lows, you reflip back bullish, and you're looking for gold to continue pushing higher. And then boom, amazing. You ended up having an absolutely ridiculous day. So I only trade for 2 hours. We took this trade within the first 15 minutes of our session, but if I could stay on all day, I would. But these were the levels that played out very, very well. Like I say, this trade was taken and all broken down on the 23rd of April. If you guys do want to go back and watch it, feel free to do so. Absolutely amazing position taken live on YouTube for absolutely free. I hope to see you guys on the live streams 7 till 9 a.m. London time. I'll see you there. Peace.